Hello guys, welcome to the fish store, on the Mixing Fish channel. We will break the eggs and balls filled with fish. We first fill the container with water. We start from the jumbo-sized yellow eggs. Amazing! The egg contains 3 beautiful goldfish. Let's break the blue jumbo balls. Wadi-da! Inside contains 3 colorful glowfish. Next, we break the pink balls. Wow, inside there is a cute platy swordfish. It's time for us to break the colorful little eggs. We start from the green eggs. Oh my good, inside there is a betta fish with a beautiful tail. Next, we break the gray eggs. Oh my good, inside there is a pure white betta fish. And lastly, we break the red-colored eggs. Oh my good, inside there is another beautiful colored betta fish. And these are the fish that we have mixed, beautiful, colorful and cute. So until here our first meeting, see you in the next video. Bye bye.